Hi, welcome to Tanio TV. My name is Emma and today we'll be making an autumn mandala suncatcher. You will need a collection of autumn leaves, a paper plate, sticky back plastic, string and scissors. And additional materials you might like to use are colouring pens or paint and a hole punch. First you need to collect some autumn leaves. At this time of year they are falling from the trees, so there are a lot on the floor to collect. A variety of size, shapes and colours are nice, such as red, orange and yellow. Press them between two pieces of paper with a heavy book on top overnight. Then you need to cut the middle out of the paper plate, following the line or circle around the inside like this. Be careful not to cut your fingers. If you find this tricky, ask an adult for some help. If you'd like to, you can decorate the frame that is left. You can colour it in using pens or paint. I am mixing red and yellow paint to make a burnt orange colour, but equally it looks just as nice without any colour. Then wait for the paint to dry. You then need to cut some sticky back plastic, ensuring it will cover the inside of the plate with some overlap. You can use the middle that you cut out earlier as a guide. You need to cut two pieces. Stick your sticky back plastic to your circle frame like this very carefully. Now you can arrange your leaves in any design you like by placing them onto the sticky side, starting from the middle, creating a circular pattern, working from the inside moving outwards. You might want to cut some of your leaves to make a pattern like this. It's up to you. Once you are happy with your leaf design, you need to cover the second piece of sticky back plastic. Using gentle pressure, press it down like this. Make two holes using the hole punch and thread through some string so you can hang your autumn mandala suncatcher in your window. If you don't have a hole punch, you can sellotape your string to the back of the paper plate instead. Beautiful.